Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you a quick tutorial about the photo mode on the Witcher 3 next generation. Okay, so first of all, if you want to open the photo mode, you have to click on the U button on your keyboard. Right now, we can find this basic information on the screen, so for example, let's focus on the left side right now. If you want to rotate your camera, you have to click and hold the right mouse button. If you want to change the angle, you can use W, A, S and a D. So set up your angle. I would like to get this beautiful preview with the sunset. And next we can go for the right side, where you can find the table with the 4 tabs. If you want to switch between these tabs, you have to use Q and E. And as you can see, we can set, for example, the exposure right here with the left and the right arrows. So that's how we can change any value right here in this table. And if you want to go up and down, just click on the up and down arrows. We can also go for the camera option and change the tilt and also the field of the view. You can also make it with your scroll button on the mouse. We can set the aperture a little bit. Okay, there's also the out of focus and depth of the field. There's also the overlay. Let's get it like that. And right now, if you want to capture the screen, you just have to tap on the spacebar once. As you can see right now, there's information that we successfully captured the screen, and all of this information that you see right now, it will be not visible on your screenshot, so you don't have to worry about that. And if you want to go back from this photo mode, you have to click escape button on the keyboard. And right now let me show you where you can locate all of your screenshots. So you have to go for the documents on your PC, then go for the Witcher 3 folder, go to the screenshots, and then we can find all of the screenshots that we take. As you can see, there it is. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.